Hi guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro. In this video, we'll learn how to make a virtual friend which can speak. Wanna see an example?
Hi.
But before moving ahead, please consider subscribing. So now, let's learn how do I do that. So first, I'll go to my terminal and type pip install pyttsx3. So now what is pyttsx3? It's the module which helped me to make my machine speak to me, and the full form of this is Python text to speech version 3. So PY means Python, TTS stands for text to speech, X3 is just version 3. Now if you press enter, as you can see it's showing requirement already satisfied for me, but for you it will install it, and if you are installing it for the first time it will take a lot of time, and a lot of time means 1 minute or half a minute, and I know you can wait for that much time. Okay, now I can go and import this module. And how to do that? Nothing but type import and module name, which is pyttsx3. Now pyttsx3 is in this project to help us. Very good. But that's not it. Now you need to create the friend, right, which will speak to you. For that you can just type friend equals to pyttsx3 dot init. Now what is this init? Init is nothing but initializing this friend for us to speak, right? So now if once I've created this, I can go and type I want my friend to say something, and pyttsx3 makes it super easy for us. Nothing but type friend dot say, and inside this brackets you can have two quotes, and over here you can just type what you want your machine to speak to you. I'll just type hi. Okay, now I'll have to add one more line, which is friend dot run and wait. So once this is done, you can go ahead and run it and see the magic.
Hi.
So as you can see, it's telling us hi, but that's not it. I want it to be more interesting, right? So I want the code to say whatever I want it to say. How can I do that now? So now below this import pyttsx3, I can go ahead and make another variable which will be speak this. I can give an input command inside this. So input, and what do you want me to say? Okay, now we can replace this with the variable speak this. So just remove everything and type speak this. Now let's see what does it do. First it would ask me what do you want me to say, and I'll just type subscribe to Code Like a Pro. And now just wait a little.
Subscribe to Code Like a Pro.
Even the machine is telling to subscribe to this channel, so just do it for the machine. Okay, so now this is it for the video. I know it's very basic, but something like this will come if you make us reach 50 subs. And it's nothing but a virtual assistant like Alexa. Yeah, you can make it using Python. So that's it for this video. Bye.